Hello everyone, it is Kayla.
I'm Nancy.
With Stamping Before Anything Else. We are making some cards today for World Card Making Day. Yay! We're making 3 cards. This is our second card of the day. The next one will be live at 6 p.m. Central Time. So we're going to be making this cute card. I love it. And you also have the chance to make some make and takes with us. All you have to do is purchase $35 in product between October 2nd and October 9th. We'll send you the supplies for all 3 cards for free. And this is going to be one of them. So also we're doing a grand prize drawing away.
Oh, this is exciting.
Giveaway via a drawing. So we'll talk about more details about this at the end. Just make sure that you're commenting and subscribing on this video and others to be posted. And yeah, like I said, we'll talk about more details with this. So Mom's gonna go ahead and show us how to make this card.
Yay! This is a fun card. Another fun, simple, quick card. Adds a lot of little strips of designer series paper on here. It looks very fancy, but it is very easy to create. So we are going to do a little bit of stamping first off. We are going to stamp in Early Espresso. We're going to stamp our cheer right here. We are using our Heartfelt Wishes stamp set. Let me grab that for you right here. Heartfelt Wishes, which is the stamp set that we are giving away. And, ooh, look at that.
Oh, that's juicy.
That is really juicy. Let's see if I can get this on here without smudging it. Don't rock. Don't rock.
Don't rock. Don't do it.
Woo!
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Impressed,
nice.
Especially with how that was. Oh my gosh.
That's a really juicy pad. Oh, what am I doing? I still need this. Okay, so this card, I need to stamp my saying sideways because it opens up from the bottom. Ta-da, like that. Earlier when I was making the sample, I stamped it this way.
Oops.
The wrong way. So I had to just say that out loud so I didn't do it again. Okay, there we go.
Wow, that seriously is a juicy
It
pad.
really, really is. Okay, so now we're going to set those over there to dry. Next, I'm going to bring in our silicone mat, and we are going to do a little bit of gluing. Now, when you get your make and take pack, you will have this piece embossed already. And we're just going to lay these down. Now I recommend starting off with this corner over here and kind of laying that piece down. And then just kind of eyeballing it about 1/8 of an inch in between each strip. And of course, if you want more of an angle on it, you certainly can. Completely up to you. If you don't want to use all strips, you don't have to. So just kind of going with it. All right, now I'm going to take my glue and we're just going to glue these on. Oops, this is the wrong one. Hold on one moment.
All measurements for everything for this card will be posted on our blog, so make sure that you go check that out. The link to that will be in the description of this video.
Yay, you guys, super easy. Now, we're going to put that aside and let it dry a little bit. Now, I'm going to take this piece right here, and I got to find my scissors. We're going to fussy cut this out. And fussy cut means just cutting around it. Nothing too fancy. You know, a lot of people don't like doing this, but I think this is a tiny enough word.
Another option, if you don't like fussy cutting, is just taking a punch or a circle die cut or a rectangle die cut and just leave it. Or you could just stamp it on a square piece of paper and call it good.
Exactly. There's so many different options.
Yeah, you don't have to follow what we do.
Exactly.
It's the whole point of crafting, right?
Mm-hmm. You
Creative
do?
freedom.
Exactly. Oh, I like that. Creative freedom.
You have the creative freedom to do whatever you want.
Ooh, ooh. Okay, so I'm just going to round that off a little. Okay, so we have that out. This is our inside. I'm going to grab our card base right here. We're going to give this a good burnish. Okay, we're going to glue this on the inside. All right, now we're gonna take and peel this off our Stampin' seal, or excuse me, our our Stampin' mat. And what's really cool about this is once this dries, and I'll show you afterwards, it'll rub right off. So we'll let that dry a little bit. Now I'm just gonna come in, flip this over, and we're just gonna cut right up to the edge and cut off all these parts that are hanging over the edge of the cardstock.
Your scissors might get sticky depending on how much glue you have hanging over.
Exactly.
So maybe don't use your favorite pair.
I probably wouldn't. If you do, I would probably cut it off, wash it off right away. For this one, what's really cool is these scissors are non-stick. So yeah, I do have to wash them every once in a while, but really, honestly, not very often, I'm telling you. Okay, so there we go. We have the front of our card. Now again, we're just going to take our adhesive. All right, okay, last we are going to add some dimensionals onto this. Now I chose to do the mini ones. I love dimensionals. Okay, so now we're just coming in and adding these gold metallic pearls. These are just a fun little accent that I put on here, just to kind of jazz it up a little.
Jazzy hands. Jazz hands.
Ta-da! I feel like I can't do it that way. I gotta hand it off on the side.
Oh, weird. Oh, yeah, you get the side.
Yeah.
Side.
To the
Jazz
side.
hands.
Okay, there we go. Oh, I guess we don't really need that one because, you know, you kind of want to... Oh, yeah, we do. That's 7. That's 7. It's nicer if you have an odd number.
Odd number.
So getting back to this silicone mat here, you just need to rub these off like that
And
after the glue has dried, and it is ready. Look at that. You can't even tell there was stuff on there.
That was a great tip.
Wasn't it?
Awesome.
I love it. Look at that. All gone, guys. Now you just got to cleaning your space off.
Awesome. So if you want to get the make and take supplies for these cards and the other 2 cards in our World Card Making Day series that's happening today, all you have to do is purchase at least $35 in product with us in our online shop. The description of that is in the video, or the video of this video. The description of this video. Or, oh my goodness.
Wow.
The link is in the description of this video.
Wow, we're out of practice.
Wow, we are. Plus, if you comment on this video, you could still comment, you have the chance to be drawn for our grand prize giveaway. And so, in this grand prize giveaway, you'll use the Heartfelt Wishes stamp set that we used in this card. Brand spanking new. New packet of Rhinestones, a new thing of Stampin' Seal, a whole packet of basic white note card envelopes, the real red Stampin' pad, and an eye block where you can use this to use the stamp sets or the stamps. And Mom will show you here an example of a card she made
with this supplies right here. And it's just using the cheers again, and then on the inside, and a Happy New Year.
Cute.
Stamp the outside. You get 20 basic white note cards and envelopes. So that's
that's a lot.
Big deal.
All your New Year's cards done, all of your Christmas. So these are great basic supplies to get you started or add to your craft collection. Like I said, all you have to do is follow or subscribe to us, and then also comment. For extra entries, you can go to our Facebook or YouTube or Instagram to comment on all 3 videos, and they're going to be all the same. For a total of 9 entries, we're going to be drawing a winner at 1 p.m. Central Time on October 9th, and we'll be doing it via our Facebook and YouTube live, and we'll do a hand drawing where we'll write down all the names and draw everything out.
I know you guys missed us.
Yeah. All of the details can be found on our blog. Only thing is that we can only send this to those in the United States because we are based out of the United States. Kind of sucks, but rules are rules. But we hope you're having a lot of fun crafting today, and we will see you in our next video. Thanks, everyone.
Bye.